All new at 6 tonight, a North Tonawanda High School teacher is about to embark on a Great Lakes journey. Melissa Elliott joins 15 teachers from Great Lakes states for a research project on Lake Ontario. 7 News senior reporter Eileen Buckley caught up with the biology teacher who's ready for a workshop on board the Lake Guardian ship.
Just excited to do like real world science.
North Tonawanda High School biology teacher Melissa Elliott is about to test out her sea legs. Next month, she will step on board the Guardian to join the Shipboard Science Workshop on Lake Ontario.
I don't really have a lot of experience on the water, so I'm kind of just, like I said, going with open mind, getting some seasickness medicine, and I'm just grateful to get on the ship.
Elliott will be on the ship from July 6th through the 12th. Teachers are selected through a collaboration between the New York Sea Grant and the EPA as part of the Great Lakes Restorative Initiative.
It's everything from being on the ship, out on the lake in the middle of the night and just seeing stars in that moment, sticking with them, to being real scientists and being in the lab and working with academic researchers.
Nate Dragg is a Great Lakes literacy specialist with New York Sea Grant,
Which is pretty cool.
He says Elliott's application really stood out.
It's part of the experience. I want like the whole,
And reading through Melissa's application, there was so much passion and excitement. We want to foster that and support that with a really cool experience like this that she can bring back to her students.
I think it's really cool because North Tonawanda is situated between the two Great Lakes on the Niagara River. So I think that a lot of people are just really excited to get to know through my experience and for me to bring that information back here.
And the unique hands-on experience will help this teacher learn more about the Great Lakes so she can bring it back to her classroom.
I want to create more like projects that have to do directly with the lake so that we can do day-to-day stuff learning about it.
While on board, Elliott will be conducting water sampling along Lake Ontario and working in the ship's laboratories.
When these teachers are right there in the lab on the deck, operating this huge equipment, wearing hard hats and steel-toed boots and living that real scientist experience, it can change their career.
I just have a fascination with everything that is alive. So I think that I've always just been really curious about living organisms, microscopic organisms, and just always wanting to learn more about them.
Eileen Buckley, 7 News, North Tonawanda.